Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start the module 4. Module 4, the topic is noise pollution. The topics included in this module are the subtopics are sources of noise, effects of noise, control measures. So, all of you know what is a noise or what is a sound. Uh, we can just go through the difference between the sound and noise. Sound is something which is pleasant to hear, which has a constant pitch and which has a regular periodic motion, produces a meaningful mode of communication. Its unit is hertz. Hertz is equal to cycles per second. Whereas noise is unpleasant to hear, constantly varying pitch. It has no regular periodic motion. Also, it produces no meaningful communication. Its unit is decibel. Decibel is equal to log 10 to the base 10 log intensity measured or reference intensity. So, sound when it is irregular, a sound produced when it is irregular or when it's very high, it becomes a noise. There can be uh, many problems occurring in the environment due to the unwanted sound. So, when the sound becomes loud or disagreeable or unwanted, it becomes noise. We can look into the next slide. What is a sound? Sound are mechanical waves of pressure that are transmitted through solid, liquid, gas, or plasma. Generally, humans can perceive frequencies between about 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz, that is 20 kilohertz, and sounds are usually measured in decibel. Sound can be measured using an instrument known as sound level meter. It is a digital meter where you can directly get the readings, or the sound is measured as in decibel units. Now, noise is commonly defined as an unwanted sound. It is any sound independent of loudness that can produce an undesirable physiological and psychological effect in an individual, that may interfere with the social activities like communication, work, rest, recreation, and sleep of an individual or a group. So, as said, when the sound becomes louder or disagreeable or unwanted, it becomes a noise. So, noise can be unwanted sound pollutant which creates undesirable physiological and psychological effects on individuals. Once noise pollution stops, the environment becomes free from noise pollution. Now we can move on to the next heading, the types of sounds. There are three different types of sound. First one is a steady state or continuous sound. Second one is the intermittent, and third one is an impulse or impact. So, steady state or continuous sound means uninterrupted sound level that varies less than 5 decibel during the period of observation. That is, the sound level of the sound created does not get interrupted. Example is a fan. So, fan, you can see it is a continuously moving, and it does not create uh, greater noise. It is just less than 5 decibels. Then intermittent sound means continuous sound that persists for more than 1 second and that is interrupted for more than 1 second. Example is a drilling sound. You are using a drilling machine to create a hole in the wall. That sound, it creates a disturbance for more than 1 second. Then impulse or impact, a rapid rise to peak sound level. That is a rapid rise, suddenly or rapidly the sound gets increased. Such an sound can be termed as impulse or impact sound. Now, moving to the major sources of noise pollution. So, you can see the headings. This is an important topic for our examination point of view. What are the major sources of noise pollution? You can see the list as below. Traffic noise, industrial and construction machinery noise,